All right. Okay, this is a Traditions Spain 50 caliber, and with a percussion cap where you can fire it with those. You fill your cylinder up to which I've got 70 grains, and what I'm going to do is pour it down here. And what you do is you take this right here and put it on top, and I've got a 370 grain bullet. I'll push it down in there.
That's a bullet?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a big old bullet. Well, that sucker ain't going.
it's not wanting to go down?
Let me see if I can try out this one. I'm gonna have to have more slimy little patches. Okay, there we go. Take this rod and push it all the way down in there. Okay. I'm not too good on camera.
Better than I am.
Man. Okay. Take my percussion cap. Pull the hammer back with the percussion cap on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the first one, this one, the back one, to set it where it's real sensitive. And then take it.
Oh.
Woo! Did I hit it?
I think you hit it right beside it.
Oh shoot, you wanna try it?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, alright, let's get it.
It's going to explode my eardrum.
Man, there's not too much powder in here. I didn't really put a whole lot of powder for 70 grain.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Yeah.
What's the limit for it?
Okay.
Like, that's the most amount that you can pull there.
Usually I'll put about 85 grains, but a lot of people they'll stick with 70 or so, but sometimes you can put 90 in there and it'll really kick. Dang, heck yeah. Okay. And once you get it down, it don't take too bad to get it loaded.
Yeah.
Think of it if we was in Civil War.
I was thinking about that.
Man. Right. Here it is. Okay, first you gotta pull that one back.
All right.
And this will be a hair trigger. Just don't let your percussion cap fall off.
Try not to.
Well, you're
Just pull it and just.
Okay, now this first one's going to be a hair trigger.
This is going to be loud, I can already tell.
Dang. Man,
Did you see where I hit it?
way up there.
Oh.
Let's put a little more powder in it.
That wasn't that bad. I was expecting it to be like a huge.
Oh, yeah, I know it. Dang.
I don't know, like I fired a shotgun once. So it was just, I don't know, it just rang my ears to death.
Oh, okay, yeah. Some of them will, man. They will.
I don't know if it has to do like, does the length of the barrel have anything to do with it? Because like those 22 cartridges, just like in my handgun, sound way louder than they do in that rifle.
Oh, yeah, I know it. Yeah, the length of the barrel does cut down on the noise. Okay, I'll let you do this one. Okay, if you want to just kind of prop it here,
Alright.
and there we go.
Just dump it down in there.
Yeah, just dump it down there and make sure all the power's out. pull the other.
Oh, okay. So just shove it down in there?
Mm-hmm. Pack it where it packs real good. Here's your percussion cap.
Alright. And then just the same thing again?
The back one and the front one.
Jesus. You weren't lying about it being a hair trigger. I barely touched it.
Did that have a little more power?
Yeah, it was fun though. I wasn't expecting it to shoot off that fast though. I barely had it aimed.
Let's do it one more time. You do the whole thing all together. All right. Oh my gosh.
How do you measure it?
It automatically measures because I got it set for going about 90, and all you do is
Just scoop it or pour it in there?
you just take that, turn it upside down, push that lever, and shake it, and then just kind of check and see if it's at the top of that, and then you're good.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here you go. Cool, that was fun. I'm gonna stand over here because I gotta drink my Coca-Cola.
I'll think it. Is it not going in there? Oh, yeah, it's going in there.
Yeah, what I usually do is I'll set my can down there and then just kind of dump it. Like, I can set this down. And then you just kind of dump it in there. There you go. That should be it.
Oh no, that's an awful lot.
And we have killed
A duck?
a ducky.
Alright, just pour it down in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is this the one that wasn't fitting down here before?
The big, oh yeah, no, that was a good one. Hello. Oh. My patch come off my eye. Say hello to his little friend.
We'll be more careful about it this time.
Yeah, it's a hair trigger.
Yeah, I thought you were exaggerating.
Heck no. Woo.
Alright. Okay.
Man. Dang.
I wasn't even close to that.
Well, it's the fun that counts.
I'll take that as a no.
Okay.
Alright.
Darn it. That was sweet.
That was fun, but I would have felt better about it if I hit the can. Instead of hitting it like a mile off.
Man, well, just practice makes perfect.
Alright, I'll keep that in mind.
Way to go, partner.
Yeah.
All right.
That was pretty fun though.
Mm-hmm. Man.
We'll have to get something like that one day.
Yep. Yeah. Then we can shoot us a duck in the air.
Yeah.